Yo YouTube, what's up? It's your favorite basic bitch back with an unboxing video. Super excited for this. iPhone XS Max is in here. I'm sure you recognize my beautiful, very professional prepared set from my last iPhone unboxing, which was 2 years ago. I have been waiting for this all day. UPS disappointed me by delivering it not until like 8 p.m. So sorry for this video being late, whatever, let's get over it. I'm currently upgrading from the 7 Plus, and I've loved this phone so much, but it's about time for an upgrade, and I cannot wait to get my hands on this beautiful $12 million thingy. My bank account is crying, tears of sadness, but I'm crying tears of joy, so it's okay. I'm just gonna get right into it. I don't want to delay anymore. I've been waiting way too long. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. I need more subscribers, so please, it's not that hard. I'm gonna try to censor this out. It's my address and stuff in post-production. We'll see how terrible of a job I do, but whatever, I guess it doesn't matter. Okay. Oh boy. I'm like nervous. Okay. Really? Okay. Oh my god. Here it is. Look at that!
Oh my gosh! Wiggles!
Look at how nice! Look at that!
Ah! Yes!
Look! It's like beautiful! Okay. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, so nice opening a new Apple product. Oh. It's like, ugh. Look at this. It like comes off so seamlessly. Okay. Whatever. Gotta get a good thumbnail. I guess this will probably work for a thumbnail or something. Oh, I'm using my wide angle lens. I guess I'm zoomed in all the way. Okay. I'm like, I don't know why I'm so nervous. Like, this is gonna be my new baby. So like, I'm apologizing to my dog in the background. Don't worry, you're still my live baby. This is gonna be my new toy, I guess. I don't know. I'm just admiring this printout on the box. It's like so beautiful. Okay, you know what? I don't know, I was hoping for the phone to be right there. I was like really bracing myself for the phone and there it is. Okay, it's okay. Oh, you can see the reflection of the lamp in there, but whatever. You can see I'm a very skilled professional YouTuber by this. I'll probably get like 10 views on this video, but who cares? So we have the manual and, oh, finally they give you a SIM card thingy. And then we got Apple stickers. I have no clue where I'll put them, but I always love having them. Okay, let's put you. You are so beautiful. Oh my god, you're beautiful. Okay, so we have charging brick. Then we have our ear pods. And I don't believe they send adapter anymore. Yeah, no more dongle, so. But it's okay, I still haven't lost my last dongle, which I'm actually pretty impressed with. I thought I would have lost it by now. Charging cable, so okay. Okay, I always love how Apple puts so much care. Like, look, it just like look at that. It just like fits right in there. Just, I don't know, just stuff really gets me. Oh, great, it's a short cable, but who cares, whatever. Time to move the camera over. Yes, I know, it's a horrible workspace, people. Don't hate me. It's like beautiful. Like, honestly, I'm like afraid to touch it because I feel like I'm gonna break it, but like it's okay. Happening. Oh my god, the screen is so nice. It's OLED. Oh my god, I love it so much. You can bring it nearby to sign it. No, that's a thing. Quick start. I don't know if you guys can see, but it says if you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11 or later, bring it nearby to sign automatically. How does that work? Okay, so I have my phone. Hey Maggie, don't bark. Oh my god. Finishing on new iPhone. Okay. Enter passcode of your old iPhone. I'm gonna cut this part out. La 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 la. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. While in the middle of doing this, I'm gonna switch to a tighter angle lens so you can see what I'm doing.
6 months later.
Okay, so the new lens está attached, whatever it is in Spanish. It only took up to 3-4, okay? I do the very minimum a lot of the time. Continue, Face ID, ooh, continue. Bring it around town. Bring it around town. Ooh, it made a nice little chime when it completed it. This ID is now set up. Continue. Submit your Apple ID. It's taking too long. I want to use the phone already. I'm like squeezing. My lens cap is like a stress ball. It's calming me down right now. Okay, yes, I know. I'm on low battery on this phone. Okay, ooh, I guess update backup before restoring? Ah, there it goes. Agree. Hello, thank you. Settings from backup. Continue. Oh yes, Apple Pay. Continue. Okay, you guys don't see this. Blah, 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 blah. Yes, I know how to use Apple Pay. Let's go. Yes, I want to use my Apple Watch with this phone. Why not? Yes, True Tone. Now, we just got brand new Spectrum Wi-Fi, and as you guys know from my previous videos, I hate Spectrum so much, but their new Wi-Fi is actually not horrible. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I shall stop recording and continue once it has finished restoring from a backup, which could be in like another, I don't know, hour or whatever.
A lot of boring math later.
Okay, so surprisingly, only like 5 minutes later, it's now doing this thing. I'm gonna leave my camera recording, let it time lapse, but it's actually running pretty quickly, which is good because enjoy the wonderful time lapse footage if you can. Okay, so I just got back from the other room with these. Screen protector and a case. I would love for either of these brands to sponsor me, but they do not, so whatever. It's funny, I actually got these right after the keynote because I pre-ordered my phone. And it's funny, it doesn't even say for iPhone XS Max, it just says for new iPhone. If you can see that. Close enough. So you see it just says for new iPhone, it doesn't even say the name of the phone or whatever because it was not known at the time. It may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID, it's telling me. A few minutes. That means more like 2 hours. Oh, I'm zoomed in all the way? Oh, I wanted that to be an even more dramatic zoom. Oh, that was quick. Continue, 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 continue. Welcome. All my apps need to be installed, but whatever, it's fine. Oh my god, look at it. It's like, perfection. You ever seen something like so slick like that? I mean, oh my god. Like it doesn't even look real. It's like, ugh. Okay, so I have to wait for everything to finish downloading before I can like do anything. So, and I want to leave it plugged in, so I'm not gonna put on the case yet. So, I'm gonna leave it at this. Thank you so much for watching and listening to me rant. I really appreciate it. Subscribe, turn on notifications, all that good stuff. Maybe I'll see you in another video. I don't know. I'm trying to be more frequent. iPhone's not activated. I'll deal with that now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.